Ensuring your home's safety is a top priority for many. Balancing security with comfort and efficiency can be challenging, but home automation offers advanced features that can provide peace of mind while enhancing your living space. Hello and welcome to Learn Home Automation. Today we'll explore how home automation can protect your home. In this video, we'll discuss the various options available, compare modern home automation systems to traditional security setups, and highlight important considerations to keep in mind. Additionally, we'll look at the latest trends to help you stay ahead of the curve. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how home automation can enhance your home's security and comfort, allowing you to enjoy the best of both worlds. In the past, ensuring home safety typically involved basic measures like installing a burglar alarm or a few security cameras. While these methods were effective, they were limited in functionality and control. Traditional security systems usually include a control board, sensors, keypads, sirens, security cameras, and monitoring services. The control board coordinates the system's functions. Sensors detect intrusions, keypads allow users to arm and disarm the system, sirens act as deterrents, security cameras provide surveillance, and monitoring services offer real-time alerts and assistance from professional security personnel. While traditional security systems are known for their consistent performance and reliability, they come with several limitations. These constraints apply to both burglar alarms and NVR or DVR camera systems. Firstly, the high cost of installation and the requirement for extensive wiring can be significant barriers. If you are renting and the house does not come with pre-existing wiring, your options if you want to secure your living space are rare. Notifications from traditional systems are often limited to phone calls or alerts to security company, providing minimal real-time updates to homeowners. Remote monitoring, when available, is typically handled by a security company as well. This reliance on external monitoring services can lead to additional subscription costs and extra fees. Furthermore, traditional systems can be difficult to expand and integrate with new devices, making it challenging to cover additional areas or customize the setup to meet changing needs. They also lack the flexibility to integrate with other security systems, limiting their overall effectiveness and convenience. Smart home solutions take traditional security systems to the next level, offering enhanced functionality and convenience. Here are some of the key components and features that make smart home security systems stand out. You can connect your existing traditional alarm system to your home automation hub using an extra board or a replacement board. This allows you to integrate your legacy system with modern smart devices and services, making it more flexible and easier to manage. Contact, motion, and vibration sensors are similar to their traditional counterparts but offer more functionality. For example, they can be monitored individually instead of in zones, providing more detailed insights into your home's security status. Additionally, these sensors can be used in various automations unrelated to security, such as controlling your smart lights, enhancing their overall value. While cloud-based services are convenient, it's important to consider local solutions for added privacy and security. Smart cameras and doorbells can help deter intruders and provide real-time alerts, but make sure they can work without internet connectivity. Also, check if they can record locally into an SD card. You can also use VPN software installed on your home automation hub to access your cameras remotely, without your footage going through third-party servers. Smart locks are not necessarily more secure than a high-quality traditional lock, and if you use a keypad, they may even be less secure. Someone might see you enter your code, or the labels may fade over time, revealing the most used keys. Battery issues can also be a concern, especially if your lock does not work with a key from the outside and the batteries run out. However, smart locks can provide peace of mind if you often forget to lock your door. They can also be particularly helpful for users with mobility and accessibility issues. Unlocking a door with an NFC card or a fingerprint reader can be much easier than using a key. Ensure that you can still use your keys and that the lock works without internet connectivity. Smart lights and speakers can also be used as part of an alarm system. For example, in case of a break-in, you can turn on a siren through the speakers and illuminate all lights. Even without a smart home system, you can achieve this using devices that combine a light, a motion sensor, and a solar panel in one. Finally, you can simulate human presence when you're away from home by scheduling lights to turn on or off at predetermined or randomized times. Don't forget about other types of security like water leak detectors and fire alarms. They don't have to be smart, and in the case of smoke alarms, it might be better not to use smart versions. However, there are solutions that can help protect your home by providing early alerts and helping you take action before it's too late. Do you use any of these options on your system? Do you think they are effective tools to improve security? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. While smart home security systems offer many advantages, they also come with some limitations. First, monitoring battery life and changing batteries, especially in larger homes with many sensors, can be time-consuming and challenging. Ensure that your system provides clear alerts when batteries are low and that you have a plan to replace them promptly. With smart home security, you often rely on self-monitoring and smartphone notifications to keep an eye on your home instead of professional security services. While this can save money, it means you need to be prepared to respond to alerts. And while I'm repeating myself, it's critical to ensure that your system can operate without internet connectivity. You don't want to be left vulnerable in case of service outages or server downtime. Lastly, if your home insurance requires an alarm system, ensure that your chosen smart home security solution is compatible and meets the necessary requirements. Failing to do so could make you ineligible for discounts or even void your coverage. Home automation is evolving, with trends like AI object recognition in cameras becoming more common and accurate. These systems can identify specific objects, people, or pets, sending relevant notifications. This technology can help distinguish between threats and harmless disturbances, enhancing security without overwhelming alerts. Facial recognition is another emerging trend, allowing you to grant access or deny entry automatically. Hands-free entry through facial recognition or other means of presence detection can provide a seamless and convenient experience by automatically unlocking doors when you approach, streamlining your daily routine. While these new technologies hold promise, it's wise to be cautious about early adoption. Wait to see if they truly enhance security and are reliable before fully integrating them into your home security setup. In this video, we explored how home automation can protect your home, offering advanced security features that provide peace of mind while enhancing comfort and efficiency. We discussed the evolution from basic security measures to sophisticated, interconnected systems, compared traditional and smart home security solutions, and highlighted important considerations and emerging trends. Ultimately, the goal of home automation in security is to provide peace of mind. While any security system can only serve as a deterrent, these modern solutions offer a more sophisticated and effective approach to protecting your home. As you move forward, take the time to evaluate your specific needs and choose a security solution that aligns with your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you're looking to enhance your existing system or start from scratch, the options available today offer a wide range of possibilities to keep your home safe and secure. And that's it for today. Were there any aspects of smart home security that you were previously unaware of? As home automation technology evolves, which emerging trends do you think will have the most significant impact on home security in the near future? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so why not leave a comment below? Thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time.